In this video, we're going to talk about expanded and standard form and the difference between the two, as well as how to write numbers in expanded form starting with standard form. I'm going to start with the number 47. Now, 47 is written in standard form because it's the way that we usually write numbers. To write 47 in expanded form, we are going to write 47 as 40 plus 7. Okay, so 47 written this way is standard form. And 40 plus 7 is expanded form. What expanded form really is writing the value of each of the digits. So the 40 comes from the 4 tens and the 7 from the 7 ones. The next question that we do is going to be a little bit larger number. We'll start with 612. And again, that of course is written in standard form. And we're going to write 612 in expanded form by writing the value of each of the digits. So we'll start with the 6, which is in the hundreds column, which means we have 600, plus we have 110, so we'll write plus 10, plus 2 in the ones column, which is 2. And that is 612 in expanded form. Another example very similar to that, but with a larger number, 407,316. So in this one, we again start with our largest value, which is our 400,000. So we will write 400,000 plus. Now here we don't have any 10,000s, so we can write 0 since we don't have any, or we can just leave that out. Plus, and then we have 7,000. 7,000. Plus we have 300 plus 10 and our 6 ones. So 407,316 in expanded form is 400,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 6. Moving to another example. Example number 4. We are going to go backwards this time. We're going to go from expanded form to standard form. So here's a number written in expanded form. We're going to start with 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 2. So when we write this one in standard form, we're going to show that 30,000 is 3 10,000s plus 4 thousands. We have 8 hundreds, 6 tens, and 2 ones. And if we were going to read this one by our periods, we would have 34,862, which is 34,862. Another example going that way, we're going to start with 40,000 plus 600 plus 3. This one's a little more complicated than the last because we have 4 in our thousands period, we don't have any 1,000s. So what this shows us is we have 4 10,000s or 40,000s. We don't have any thousands. Now this 0 is important to put in here. And then in our units period, we have 600, no 10s, and 3 1s. So in this case, these zeros are very, very important in standard form because it shows that we don't have any thousands, we don't have any tens, but if we had just written the numbers from our expanded form, we would have 463, which is not what our expanded form shows us, which is 40,603. So make sure that when you're going from expanded form to standard form, that you think about your periods and how many you have in there.